I don't want to be in the class with Banji being the teacher again. I already had a nightmare now. Yeah, Nobis is the smoker one, that's for sure. Eric, yeah. So,
Thank you, Isa.
who else watching?
Isa, don't forget to like and subscribe. Watching
Who else
Bansi
is our people here,
University.
guys? Alex. Alex would be the car guy. That's Alex. Alex is that one. Alex would be the car guy. And Captain T. Captain T is the sneaky bastard who wants to fuck all the students. But the only girl there is Liam and Jen and Linda. They said, sorry, we're just a brother. And Faded is the kind one. Faded is the giver. And then Baboy is the one who brings a lot of
Faded, are you there?
snacks during
My God,
recess.
Faded.
And then who else we have here? Who else we have? Give me another name. Give me another name.
Why so much? I have a
Annyeong.
Hello, Brooks Cooper. Yeah.
Annyeong sa'yo.
Pretty Jen. Jenny comment sa akong fan.
Okay.
Kay tanong na kayo sa
Hi guys, Pretty Jen.
Hi guys, will comment there guys.
Love your daddies. Thank you guys.
Hi guys, will comment there guys. Love your status. Thank you guys.
Ipin daw akong account. Wait lang ha.
Ako yun.
You can pin.
Mercy fans to my cousin.
Ali ba? Malol sa bito po.
I-comment lagi.
It's our favorite Banji time.
Para ma-monetize na ka. I gonna pay her. You just got it.
I gonna be there. You just got them guys.
Wala gyapon. Dili jud
Send me photos and I will show my armpit. Ano sa bahong moderator dire? Jody Sports, can you comment channel of Jen, then I will
Judy Sports! Where are you? I need your help. I'm here, Jen. I bounce every Jen. You don't see me. I didn't see you. I miss you, Faded.
Okay, Jody Sports, thank you. Nana Jen, Jen.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, subscribe her
Okay,
guys.
banggit.
I watch her YouTube channel. So she will be monetized.
Napadyo tayo rice ako.
Never know, you see the Filipino hats. Stand up. Send me photos.
I need a big boy. 1 million for 2.5 million for you, okay?
I'm cool.
Example daw, be? Example? Judy Sport, thank you very much for you're supporting me and Faded, everyone. Where's my
So that's why I send me photos.
Hello,
and I will stand up.
Thomas.
And I will show my armpit.
My moderator is not here, Troy, Ron Prince. Wala ka na mga.
Gadawa mi dito. Count na yun.
Sayang day, wala ka day.
Ano gahapon na eh. Alauna mo tawad mo gahapon.
How old are you? I'm 20.
Ala.
Fit check.
You can adapt me. You adapt both. Hello, Daddy. Ay, abi ko bag. Abi ko ako sa'yo. Abi ko kimong kamit up, Jane.
You want to cook for
I have a
me?
lot of bad friends, guys.
My outfit kay mura ko akong bilad kay napikas. Mura ko ga shoe, mura ko ga panty.
Wala ko
Oh.
panty mo.
Wala gyud ko ga panty.
Ano tibak ka?
I'm not wearing panty.
I need a big dick.